All clients coming into our program go through an intake process. This is designed to make sure that we understand clearly the scope of the individual's needs and the circumstances of their case. All cases are screened for safety and domestic violence, and in those cases they may be referred to a domestic violence shelter or some other form of intervention. Also, information may be released by agreement to the attorney or to other agencies that may help. And there are programs where we work with other agencies. For example, young parents or those with very young children may be referred to organizations that offer assistance to newborns, parent education programs, and those offering social services that may help the family get through a difficult time. Our pro bono legal clinics give parents and other people involved in family court matters a chance to ask attorneys questions and get advice in a general sense on how to proceed. Anyone involved in a family legal issue or who might be involved in a family legal issue can come and get an interview with an attorney. You'll have to provide some basic information and go through an intake process. Sometimes the attorney is willing to take the case on what's known as a modest means, limited scope of representation. And that means the attorney might assist you with going to a hearing or preparing documents for court, but is not taking on necessarily your whole case. This is designed for people who can't otherwise afford an attorney, but do have a matter that needs to be resolved by a judge or needs a judge's opinion. The Modest Means program is designed to allow an attorney to assist a client for a specific legal task rather than taking on the whole case, such as preparing documents or assisting a client at a hearing. That doesn't mean that the attorney can't continue assistance, but once again, a specific action and amount of time will be agreed on in advance. The rate for the time spent will be based on an hourly rate on a sliding scale related to the client's income. The lowest scale is $50 an hour. The attorney can ask for all of that money up front before proceeding with any action. In addition, the client will have been pre-screened, documents gathered, and the clinic will assist with malpractice insurance through a program with the Access to Justice Commission. Our parenting classes are designed to meet the requirements for divorcing couples and never married parents who need to take a class on court order, and it includes information on parenting plan design, on the court process, on family legal issues such as what a parenting plan is, domestic violence, other things related to the process. One of the reasons the courts and the legislature requires a parenting class is that so that parents and relative caregivers who might be involved in a custody dispute have the information they need to keep the children out of the conflict and to navigate the system. This doesn't replace having a lawyer or good legal counsel. It's information, not advice, but it's very useful information. Generally, it's a 4-hour class. We meet on Saturday morning. And if somebody brings all the information they need for us, we can let them leave with a certificate at the end of the class. Our Adolescent Parent Program offers special resources for parents who themselves are underage. These parents often are still living, of course, at home, and they have special needs themselves, including maintaining school and caring for a newborn child. Our program offers a number of tools that can help them succeed. First, we can help them in establishing paternity and developing a parenting plan. Lawyers will assist with the documents, and a mediator can help them develop a parenting plan. We have parent education programs that explain their responsibilities and their rights, and we can also link them with other organizations. There are parenting skills classes, and these are social workers who will come out to the home and help them get established and find the resources they need. We work with school counselors and college counselors to help the young parents succeed, both finishing high school and entering into a meaningful career. Our veterans programs are designed to help military families and those families with recently released veterans. Often this involves divorce and parenting plans, or an unmarried parent who is needing to arrange a parenting plan with the other parent. We work with social service agencies, including the Veterans Administration and veteran service organizations, to help them find programs and take full advantage of the special tools that are available to them.